everyone, welcome back to our YouTube channel. Today I'll be providing you with an honest review of GetResponse. GetResponse is a tool that we're intimately familiar with, having used it for our own campaigns over the years. Positioned as an all-in-one online marketing platform, GetResponse boasts an impressive feature list encompassing automations, CRM, landing pages, and the ability to host webinars. However, the burning question remains: does it truly excel as a newsletter tool, or is it a jack of all trades? Let's delve into the details and find out. Before we jump in, a quick note on pricing. While the basic plan offers a good range of features, access to marketing automation requires the Plus plan and higher, which comes with a slightly higher price tag. The higher plans also provide the benefit of unlimited emails, which is a noteworthy advantage. Navigating GetResponse is generally straightforward, thanks to quick actions in the dashboard that guide you to your destination efficiently. The dashboard offers feature-specific shortcuts, allowing you to access what you need with just a click. For instance, let's create a newsletter. Upon entering campaign details such as the list, subject line, and from name, you can choose from a variety of email templates. Opting for a blank template, you can easily customize elements within the layout, including images and text. GetResponse's mobile responsive templates make the process seamless. While the platform facilitates easy customization of individual elements, it could benefit from allowing users to make universal style changes, such as heading fonts and colors. Additionally, the inclusion of more content elements like image carousels, countdown timers, and testimonials would enhance its capabilities. Now let's talk about the power of GetResponse's automations. Impressively, the options seem endless. The workflow editor is a standout feature, offering flexibility and user-friendliness. Editing steps within the workflow is as simple as double-clicking on the step, providing easy access to customization options. Creating automated emails, like welcoming new subscribers, is a breeze with the available templates. The ability to add conditions and actions to the workflow, along with setting multiple paths, adds to the robustness of GetResponse's automation capabilities. Moving on to reports, found under Statistics in the Email Marketing section, GetResponse delivers a decent performance analysis. Detailed data on open rates, click-through rates, social engagement, and more are readily available. The platform allows you to compare the performance of different campaigns, providing valuable insights. In summary, GetResponse stands out as one of the most powerful tools for the small to medium business market. Despite its extensive feature list, it remains surprisingly user-friendly. We appreciate the range of email templates, detailed reporting, and the effectiveness of its automation features. While there's not much to criticize, we'd suggest making automations available to lower-tier users. Our tests indicated that GetResponse's deliverability rates could see slight improvements, although these may vary. If you're interested in trying out GetResponse, you can find the link in the description below. We hope you found this review useful. If you have any questions about GetResponse, feel free to drop a comment. That's a wrap for today's video, folks. Take care and stay safe out there.